Who's that?
That's me.
Is that you? You and me. Do you want to say hi to everyone? Do you want to blow anyone a kiss? Do you want to eat a snortle? G'day. Welcome to the Simple Cooking Channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make avocado chocolate fudge brownies. Oh, so yummy. You looking forward to eating some? Right, let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
For this you're going to need about half a cup of raw cacao powder, 1 avocado, 2 small eggs from my chickens. Well, you don't need eggs from my chickens, but 2 small eggs or 1 large regular egg, about 1/3 of a cup of stevia, and about 2/3 of a cup to 3/4 of a cup of macadamia nuts. And you need a food processor. So let's go. Right, first put in the macadamia nuts. So then you turn it on, and this makes the nut butter. So that took about a minute or so to turn into nut butter. And then add the avocado. And then we blend. Then add the 2 eggs from my silky chickens, if you can find them, or 1 large egg. Then add the stevia. And try and get most of it in there if you can. That's always good. It'll start jumping around because it'll be happy. Then add the cacao, and let's see if we can get that in there. Already got the shakes. Yep. Oh, yeah. Awesome. Alright. So, let's put a little bit more in the actual mix, because, you know, that's really good, but it's going to look really weird. We just cleaned it up and, you know, put it in there. We'll add a few skin follicles, maybe the odd hair if we're lucky. And then we'll blend that, hopefully. Look at that. How good does that look? It's like, I think you blend it for, well, I don't think, I know. It was like a minute and a half. Just get a little spoon. Dollop it on baking paper on a tray. And we're going to put it in the oven at about 160 degrees and cook it for about 10 minutes. Look at this. Yum. What is that? Is it a poo? Shall we try some? Let's break it open and we'll show. Oh, that's a little bit hot. Do you want to try a little piece? Yeah? I'm going to try. Oh, that's yummy. You want to try some, darling? You eat it? Alright, Scarlett's out of here. I'll see you next time for my next meal.